Good morning. My name is Steven Schwenke, and I am the host of the Cloud Tech Circle. And I'm going to introduce Harry Kimpel, who is the speaker on the for the event on the 25th of March. So, hi, Harry.
Hey, hi Stephen. Nice to meet you, and thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for taking part in this event series. So, you are going to talk about monitoring Kafka-based applications. Tell us, who are you and what is this topic all about?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Harry Kimpel. I am based in this beautiful part of the world, in southern Germany. I have a background in software development. Studied at some point computer science, and have been working in software development for quite some time. And this is also what I'm passionate about. I love, still coding and hands-on stuff. This is what I like to do. And for the topic itself, observing Kafka or event-based systems, it's always like a challenge, right? Because typically you use these systems to decouple services, and but how can you still observe and see what is happening? End-to-end tracing for I have a request that comes in from some form of user interface or API, whatever, and then you have multiple services talking to each other. But then what happens if you have like a system like Kafka in between? Can you still trace through this entire request? And this is what I want to talk about. I'm using OpenTelemetry to show kind of like this as an open standard. And this is fully open source, open standards, and this is what I like about it as well. And I hope it is an interesting topic for you.
Oh yes, it sure is. It sure is. So help the participants and me to kind of understand what this topic is all about. Where, for example, is it located on the Gartner hype cycle, in your opinion? Is it near to the end, or maybe is it a hyped topic?
So I think from my perspective, and I think there's a hype cycle that I can also share. I think it crossed the chasm already. So it is not like the hype cycle where people thinking about, is this important? Should I focus on it? This question is answered. You should definitely focus on, getting into OpenTelemetry, seeing what the benefits are and seeing what you can achieve with it. So it crossed the chasm. And so not many people run OpenTelemetry in production yet, but this is, I think, changing in the next couple years for sure.
Hmm. All right. And for what developers is this interesting? Is it interesting for junior developers or maybe only senior developers? So how much experience should you have when visiting this event?
So um, it is basically, valid for any kind of developer. For beginners, thinking about how can I, get started with it, but also for seasoned developers who are maybe, been programming for quite some time. It is still a quite new topic, so maybe not any, every, senior developer is, has been, approached with OpenTelemetry. So it's definitely an interesting topic for everyone.
Nice. So, Harry, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to this event. It's happening on the 25th of March, 2025. And yeah, thanks and see you soon.
Yeah, see you soon.